We're delivering the strategy for the organisation for the next 3 years, NUA26. It's got 3 areas that it's going to cover, with delivery being at the centre, driving and developing our people to deliver for the future of publicjobs.ie.
As a board and as chair of the board, we're delighted to have been involved in it, and that it came up from the organisation and has buy-in completely. We know via the vision where we want to get to, and we know via the mission statement how we're going to get there, and I'm absolutely satisfied that it's going to be measured and driven by the staff, who will then assure success.
Staff were crucial in NUA26 in forming the pillars. It was really important to the management board and our CEO and our board that the staff are involved in the process, because they're the co-face of service delivery. They have the best experience when it comes to knowing what we should do better, what we should do more of, and they were really engaged throughout the strategy development process, through surveys, through in-person engagements. The priorities are really informed by them, and they can really see themselves in the strategy, and I think management board are very much really assured by that going forward over the next 3 years. We had a strategy development team, and we had people from recruitment who really know our service delivery really well. We had people from marketing, we had people from our equality, diversity and inclusion. Our people are central to our strategy, so we have someone from our people and culture unit, and we also had someone from data analytics as well, because data is such an important part of the strategy and it's helping us inform making business decisions. And then obviously the project management office was involved there. So with that cross-organisational input into the strategy, it really helped it become an all-organisation strategy.
The values for an organisation like Public Jobs is a crucial part of how we do business. We are attracting people to work in the Irish Civil Service, and it's very important that Public Jobs is a leader in the type of values that we want to espouse and show.
By the year 2026, we would like that we would be an organisation that people would look to us for expertise or specialism, in particular recruitment, because the recruitment in the public sector is so broad at this stage that we would be the leading light. And I think the strategy is a very doable piece of work, and I think we can do it, but it will probably take 3 years to get to where we exactly want to be. Thank you very much. Thanks for your time.